Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Exploring the new retirement trends of 2025. Forget everything you thought you knew about retirement, the quiet days, the rocking chairs, the endless golf games. For a growing number of people, that picture isn't just outdated, it's a source of genuine anxiety. What happens when the world changes, but the retirement playbook doesn't? What if the roadmap our parents followed now leads to a dead end? Well, a quiet revolution is underway. A perfect storm of demographic shifts, a wild economy, and incredible new technologies are completely rewriting the rules for our golden years. In this video, we're diving into 5 of the biggest retirement trends of 2025. These aren't just small tweaks. They're radical shifts that are shattering old expectations and creating a new blueprint for a future that's more fulfilling, engaged, and financially secure. We're going to bust some myths, look at the real numbers, and show you how people are designing a retirement that looks nothing like what we've been told to expect. First up, the hard stop retirement is officially dead. Instead, people are embracing what's called semi-retirement, or unretirement. And this isn't just about needing more money. It's a total shift in mindset. People are living longer, healthier lives than ever before, with US life expectancy projected to climb toward 85.6 by 2060. The thought of spending 30 years in passive leisure is losing its charm. Frankly, for a lot of people, it sounds incredibly boring. Instead, retirees are taking their decades of experience and working on their own terms. The explosion of the gig economy and flexible remote work has been a total game changer, creating a world where seniors can supplement their income without a rigid 9-to-5 grind. And we're not just talking about a few people picking up odd jobs. More than half of people nearing retirement age say they plan to continue working in some capacity. We see seasoned professionals becoming consultants, tutors, and freelancers. They're cashing in on a lifetime of expertise, which keeps them mentally sharp, socially connected, and financially resilient. This trend is also a smart defense against the biggest fear in retirement, running out of money. Working longer, even part-time, lets savings grow and puts off the need to start drawing down on investments. It's a practical fix for economic uncertainty and a powerful answer to the human need for purpose. The second massive trend is a complete overhaul of financial planning for retirement. The old, set it and forget it, 4% rule is getting a serious reality check thanks to modern economic pressures. Stubborn inflation, market swings, and unpredictable interest rates are the new normal, and they require a much more agile strategy. Inflation is a silent thief of retirement security. Even a seemingly tame 3% inflation rate can double your cost of living over 20 years, quietly wiping out the purchasing power you spent a lifetime building. To fight back, financial experts are pushing for more adaptive strategies. Instead of a rigid withdrawal plan, many retirees are now using a bucket approach, dividing their money into short-term, medium-term, and long-term funds to better manage risk. There's a renewed focus on building multiple income streams beyond a 401k and Social Security. This means you have to become the CFO of your own retirement. People are exploring annuities for guaranteed income, investing in assets that can withstand inflation like real estate and tips, and making smart adjustments based on how the market is doing. It's a more hands-on, flexible, and responsive way to manage your money. Less about hitting a magic number and more about building a tough financial engine that can handle whatever the economy decides to throw at it. If any of this is clicking with you, and you're starting to see your own retirement differently, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I'm also really curious. What's the biggest retirement myth you're tired of hearing? Let me know in the comments. Hearing from you helps us make better videos and brings together a community of people all trying to figure this stuff out. For decades, the standard retirement plan was to age in place, in the family home. But that model is being seriously challenged by an epidemic of loneliness, which some health researchers say is as dangerous as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. The third big trend is a direct answer to this, a move toward intentional communities and co-living designed for connection and support. Now, we're not talking about old-school nursing homes. These are vibrant, self-managed communities, often called senior co-housing, that mix private homes with amazing shared spaces like big kitchens, gardens, libraries, and workshops. They empower residents to maintain their independence and privacy while enjoying a built-in social safety net. Studies confirm that these communities help reduce social isolation and depression while boosting physical activity. In a world where you might not be able to drive as much, having a community where you can share meals, check on your neighbors, and join activities makes a world of difference. It's a proactive approach to well-being that understands your social health is every bit as important as your financial and physical health. It's a powerful shift from a retirement of potential solitude to one of active, engaged community. The fourth trend blowing up retirement is the incredible adoption of technology. The stereotype of the tech-illiterate senior? It's officially dead. In 2025, retirees are more connected than ever, using digital tools to manage almost every part of their lives. An AARP survey found that Americans over 50 own an average of 7 tech devices. They're using finance apps to track investments and manage budgets with a level of detail that used to be for professional advisors only. But the biggest leap forward is in healthcare. Telehealth is now a lifeline, letting retirees see doctors from home, a huge plus for anyone with mobility issues. Beyond that, we're seeing a boom in remote patient monitoring through wearables like smartwatches. These gadgets can track vital signs, detect falls, and monitor chronic conditions, enabling doctors to provide proactive care instead of just reacting to problems. Artificial intelligence is also becoming a key player. AI-powered tools are helping retirees manage their health, stay connected, and even run their side businesses. From AI assistants that handle scheduling and research to health apps providing personalized feedback, technology is empowering seniors to live more independently, safely, and with more control over their own lives. The final trend we're seeing might be the most inspiring: the boom in senior entrepreneurship. This is a leap beyond the part-time gig work we talked about earlier. This is about retirees launching brand new businesses, often chasing a passion they finally have the time and freedom to build. And get this: experience is a massive advantage in the startup game. Research has shown that a 50-year-old founder is nearly twice as likely to launch a highly successful startup as a 25-year-old. The average age for a founder of a high-growth startup is 45. This is the generation with deep industry knowledge, huge networks, and the kind of wisdom you can only get from experience. And it's happening a lot. In 2024, the US saw an average of 430,000 new business applications filed every single month, with a big chunk driven by older, experienced pros. They're launching everything from consulting firms and Etsy shops to local cafes and nonprofits. This isn't just about a paycheck, it's about building a legacy. This Encore career is the ultimate proof that retirement is a new beginning, a chance to take the wheel, create something meaningful, and show the world that your most impactful years might just be ahead of you. So, those are 5 trends that are completely flipping the script on retirement in 2025. We're shifting from an era of passive rest to a dynamic new life chapter defined by engagement, flexibility, community, technology, and an entrepreneurial fire. The biggest takeaway is this: the new retirement isn't an endpoint. It's a pivot. It's a transition into a new chapter that you get to write yourself. What does that mean for you? It means you have more choices than ever. It means that purpose, growth, and making a difference don't have to end just because your primary career does. Thanks for watching. If this video sparked a new idea about your own future, share it with someone who might be asking the same questions. And be sure to check out our other video on building a recession-proof retirement plan for more practical tips. Keep learning, keep planning, and keep redefining what's possible. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.